If you are a museum lover, you probably have seen these two murals from China. Today I'm gonna walk you through the temples where these two murals originally belonged to.
The Lower Guangsheng Temple.
This hall and the murals on the east and west gable walls were originally made in Yuan Dynasty some 700 years ago. In 1928, this hall was in very poor condition. A local gentleman came up with this idea to sell the murals and use that money to repair the building. There were no other choice left for the presiding monk. So finally, the murals were cut into hundreds of pieces and sold to the American art dealers for 1,600 silver yuan. Today, they end up in 3 different museums of art in the United States.
We hired a tour guide in this lower temple. She told us in this hall, it was used as a classroom. So all the original statues were moved outside and destroyed. So in this hall, you see all these brand new statues. But a little fragment of wall painting left. Huo Spring. This has been the most important substance for life for past 1,000 years. And people in near this Huoquan Spring always had a fight over the division of the water. The Huo Spring, 70% goes to the town called Zhaocheng, which has less population, and 30% goes to Hongtong, has a bigger population. In history, they always had a fight over the use of the water, the 2 small towns, Zhaocheng and Hongtong. So they finally find a solution. They put 10 coins in the boiling oil wok. So ask 2 brave men from each town to reach out to get the coin. Young man from Zhaocheng, he reached out in the hot oil, and got 7 coins out of 10. So his town got 70% of the water. So he won 70% of the water for his village, for his town, but he lost his life.